Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. We'll come back with the additional on this Valentine's Day, Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have here also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve. Not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Well, today it's a day job because yesterday the newspaper boy has not delivered the newspaper. So I've done today a lot of puzzles, included the puzzles of yesterday. Let me start with this 3 stars puzzle. Number 8002. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. Two of those missing numbers in this last column are the numbers 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in these two boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 4 goes there. So two numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only place 11 and 7 should be there. Then let me see, 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between only 2 place level. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then the 4 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 4 in this column, 4 in a third column, so the column between the second column and only place level 4, it should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 in the 6, 5 in the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 5 should be there. Then 9, 7, 8, yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 9. We have 8, 7, and 9 in this column, so no 8, 7, and 9 in these two boxes. 8, 7, and 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 8, 7, and 9, 8, 7, and 9, 8, 7, and the 9. Well, we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9, so 8 and a 7. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this second column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 1, 5. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, and only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So the last row, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only three place level 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Okay, 1, 3, 9. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the mid row. So the row above, the only place level 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Oh, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 8 and the 7 are left. Here, 3 and a 7. That means we need a 7 here in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Okay. And now what? Here also 8 and a 7 are left. Okay. Then. Let me see. Need a 5 here. Yep. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. He's missing the 2, 3. He's missing the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 3 and 7, 3 and a 1 could be everywhere. Alright, 3 and a 1. Okay. Come on. 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 and the 4 is missing here. 1, 4 and a 3. Need a 3 here. Then 1, 4, 3. 1, 3 and the 9. 1, 3, 9. Okay, we need 3 numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only place left the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 3, 7 and 3, okay. Then 1 box left in the last row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Come on. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. All right. Okay. And now, let me see. 1, 1. Yeah. 8. How about the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. How about the 7 then? 7, no. Need 7 here. And do we have all the 9s? No. 9, need a 9 here. 1, 3. Come on. What's happening? The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 2. Alright, now 8, 7, 3. Come on. 1, 3. No. Need an 8. Here. Need an 8 here. Well, in this column we need an 8. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here, could be there. 8, okay. That means we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Okay. Yeah. Do we have all the 5s? Let me check. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number 3, number 5. I need a 9 there. Okay. 7, 3, and an 8. 7, 3. No. 7, 3, and an 8. 7, 3, and an 8. Need a 3 here. Well, we have 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated there the 8. So the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. Together with the 8, we have a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. 8 and a 7. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1, 3, 9. Well, we have a 1 and 3 here. Oh, wait. 1, 3, and a 9. We have a 1 and a 3 here, so this box should be a 9 then. So the other 2 should be a 1 and a 3. Okay, so 7 and 9. We have a 9 now in this middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 3 are left. Okay, here. 1, 3. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Okay, 8 or 7. We already have an 8 there, so this should be a 7. Here I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and a 3. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in middle row, so the row above the only place left, the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Double check. 3, 3, 3. Correct. 50 minutes. Well, told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Not a 3 stars, but a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.